All right, good afternoon, everybody. We are in a big meltdown, biggest move we've had in the SPX in months. SPX is down almost 6%. As I speak here, we're at 3003 at the lows of the day, down almost 6%. I think you could say this is a result of maybe some reaction to the Fed meeting, as well as a reaction that this COVID thing could go on a while, which, yeah, of course. We're interesting. Technically, right now in the SPX, we're right around the 200-day moving average, and which has kind of been, as long as we're above that, we're kind of looking, okay, we're trending up. So we'll kind of see here. This is quite a move today, down almost 6%, and the VIX is up 14 points at almost 42. And we were at the kind of a couple days ago, the lowest of the volatility range that we've been in a while at 24. So big up move. This is the biggest percent up move since we hit the lows, right? As we were going down, we had some 5% down moves. So as far as opportunity today, I mean, overall, I'll be honest with you, I would probably wait for range-bound trades. I would wait till probably Tuesday of next week till it settles a little bit. We get some, that we're not going to, the world's not going to end, and we get a little bit of a range. I would be looking at probably some 30 or 40-day butterflies or iron condors, which we haven't looked at in a while, a little bit longer duration, short Vega, from the range-bound stuff. In terms of the spec stuff, we just had a put credit spread class. Scary on a day like today. Wouldn't normally jump in. Again, you can take risk if we rally a lot today up or tomorrow, and you're long, you do well, but the risk. I can give you an example of just if you think there'll be a bit of a bounce tomorrow, what might be something you might look at. I'll just give you something that with us expiring tomorrow. Again, I mean, there's a good chance we could go down tomorrow, right? Just because now you're going into the weekend. After this move, the people want to go home. Long, that might be tough. But let's look at a couple things. Right? I mean, I'm thinking outside the box here. Let's just look at, again, I'm just bringing it up here. Let's look at something like Boeing. Well, Boeing's down 17%. Let's look at LUV, one of the airlines. These are a lot of the ones getting hit pretty hard today. Down 11%. Again, it may be early, but let's just look at Boeing. I'll tell you the type of trade I might look at. Again, Boeing is a big move down today. And again, it may go a bit further, but I'm just going to give you more focusing on the strategy and not the individual, right? If you said, hey, I like Boeing, Dan, give me maybe a speculative trade that I can make some money on the upside. But, if we go down, I'm not going to get destroyed. And I would call it what I've called the time bomb butterfly. And you can use this as any vehicle. Again, the focus is on the strategy here versus what I picked, right? Again, you can put this in any vehicle if you think it's going to jump up. Now, so let's look at Boeing. And let's say it might be tough tomorrow because there's only one day. But let's say we look at June 19, which is 8 days to go. And let's just say you think, I think we could come back some between now and next week. Still, not that you're bullish, but we can have an up day or two. So if I put a butterfly and I'm looking at doing this. So this would be June 19, that'd be a week from Friday. And I'm going to do this where let's see, I'm going to sell the 200 calls, right? Sell the 200 calls. I will fix this up for you. sell the 200 calls, buy the 190 calls, and sell the 210s. So this is a cheap shot for the upside that you won't get your face ripped off if we go down more, right? Credit. All right, let's just see. Oh, I hate when it does that. I hate this, why this ball does it. I'm not blaming my nephew, but I think you guys can see what it does. I don't know if I'll be able to. Give me a second here. One. Oh, please don't do that again. Okay, here we are. So if you look at this, this is a bullish butterfly. Let me move this over. And you could see we're right here at 185, and I'm saying, look at our 168, and we're saying if we make a jump, right, to, just make sure I'm selling the right one. I'm looking at June 19th, 8 days out, and I'm looking, let me set this a little better. 190. I'm going to set it at 190. So we're at 169, and I'm going to set this at 190, 180, 200. So you can see a little bit bullish, but gives me a week from Friday. I'm just looking for maybe one good up day. Again, we are down quite a bit today in Boeing. We are down $16, and I'm just looking if we can make a move up. Again, I'm buying one 180 call, selling two 190s, buying one 200. If we can kind of shoot up anywhere near 180 to 85 in the next 2 to 3, 4 trading days, this butterfly has cost me around 90 cents to $1, and I'd be looking for at least 40 to 50% return. So if I buy it for $1, I'm looking to sell it out at whatever I buy it for. And again, that's the tough part on a day like today, execution. It says, let's say it's going for 66, whatever it's going for, and I would try to maybe do one contract. I'm looking for about 50%. Anyways, thanks, folks. Just looking for opportunities today, and this is a time bomb butterfly in Boeing. Thank you. Check us out at SheridanMentoring.com, where we have a great $49 trial where you can day by day see how we're navigating through the markets. What a great opportunity with the market picking up steam again to see us next week work through the challenges here. Thanks, everybody. Again, this is Dan Sheridan, Sheridan Mentoring. Thank you.